Hi, hello students. Welcome back to our channel. This is Bhaskar Bora. We are discussing ninth chapter Tangents and Secants to a Circle from 10th class Mathematics. In this chapter, we are discussing about the concept of finding the area of the segments of a circle. As in the part of this, in our previous video, we have seen the example 2 which is given in our textbook. Now today in this video, let us see one more interesting problem which is given in our textbook, that is example 3. So let us take example 3. It is given as a round tabletop has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. A round tabletop has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. If the radius of the tabletop is 14 centimeter, find the cost of making designs with paint at the rate of 5 per centimeter square and use square root 3 value as 1.732. So this is the given problem. Let us see once again. A tabletop has 6 equal designs. The radius of the tabletop is 14 centimeter. So here the table is in the circular shape, so its radius is 14 centimeter. So radius of this circle is 14 centimeter, and we need to find the making cost of these 6 equal designs with paint also. And what is the cost for 1 centimeter square? It is given as 5 rupees. That means to make 1 centimeter square design with paint, it costs 5 rupees. At that rate, what is the total cost to make all six equal designs? That we need to find out. So that means we need to find the area of these all 6 equal designs. So how can we find the area of these designs? So if you observe this figure clearly, these 6 equal designs are shaded. That means we need to find the area of this shaded region. So how can we find the area of these shaded regions? So it is very simple. If you observe the figure, in this figure, the circle consists the shaded portion and also the unshaded portion. So if you observe this unshaded portion, what figure it is? So this polygon has 6 equal sides. Since all the designs are equal, so these sides are also equal. So therefore this polygon has 6 equal sides. So therefore we say it as a regular hexagon. So if we find out the area of this regular hexagon and also if we find the area of the circle, then from the area of the circle, if we subtract the area of this regular polygon, we get the area of the shaded region. So what we have to do? To get the area of the shaded segments, we need to subtract the area of the regular hexagon from the area of the circle. So let us do this. First we need to find the area of the circle. So what is the formula for finding the area of the circle? It is pi r square. So to find the area of the circle, what information do we need? The radius of the circle. Do we have that? Yes, we have it. That is 14 centimeters. So the radius of the circle is 14 centimeters. Let us find the area of this circle. Area of the circle is pi r square. And by substituting the values, we get 22 by 7 into 14 square, and expanding 14 square we get 22 by 7 into 14 into 14, and by cancelling 7 and 14 with 7 we get 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So altogether we get 22 into 2 into 14. By multiplying all these, we get the area of the circle is 616 centimeters square. So we get the area of the circle 616 centimeters square. Now we need to find the area of the unshaded portion, that is area of the regular hexagon. So what is the formula for area of the regular hexagon? So it is nothing but, if we suppose in this regular hexagon, let us draw the diagonals. So by drawing the diagonals, we get 6 equilateral triangles. So the area of these 6 equilateral triangles will be equal to the area of the regular hexagon. So what is the area of An equilateral triangle. Very good. It is root 3 by 4 a square. So the area of one equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. So therefore what is the area of 6 equal equilateral triangles? So to get this, just simply multiply the area of an equilateral triangle by 6. So therefore we get area of regular hexagon as 6 into root 3 by 4 a square, and where a is the side of the regular hexagon. So what is the side of the regular hexagon here? Here the length of the side of the regular hexagon is nothing but the radius of the circle. So here substitute in the place of a is 14. By substituting the values we get 6 into root 3 by 4 into 14 square. And expanding 14 square we get 6 into root 3 by 4 into 14 into 14. Now let us cancel 4 and 14 in 2 table. 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. And again we have 2 in the denominator. And let us cancel this 2 and 14. 2 1s are 2 and 2 7s are 14. So we have 6 into root 3 into 7 into 7. So by multiplying them, 7 into 7 49, 49 into 6 294 into root 3. So we get 294 into root 3, and here it is given that root 3 value as 1.732. So let us write root 3 value 1.732. By writing it we get 294 into 1.732. By multiplying 294 and 1.732 we get the area of the regular hexagon is 509.2 centimeters square. So now we have the area of the regular hexagon is 509.2 centimeters square, and already we find the area of the circle, that is 616 centimeters square. Now we can find the area of the shaded segments by subtracting the area of the regular hexagon from the area of the circle. So therefore the area of the 6 equal designs is equals to area of circle minus area of the regular hexagon. So by writing their values we get 616 minus 509.2. So by subtracting these two we get 106.79 centimeters square. Therefore the area of the 6 equal designs is equals to 106.79 centimeters square. Now here we need to find the cost of making all these 6 equal designs, and it is given that the cost of making the design per 1 centimeter square is 5 rupees. So to make the 1 centimeter square area design with paint, it costs 5 rupees. So what is the total cost to make the design with paint which has the area 106.79 centimeters square? For that what we have to do? We need to multiply the total area with 5, so that we get the cost of making the design with paint is equals to 106.79 into 5. By multiplying them we get 533.95 rupees. So therefore the cost of making 6 equal designs with paint is 533.95 rupees. So this is enough for today, and we will meet in our next video with one more problem. Till then, bye. Thank you.